Hello guys, welcome again to my next episode of string musical instrument. So today we dive into the lyres, the instrument that contain from 5 to 8 strings. That's what you want to look at. Then you look at the parts of the lyres. So welcome to my channel. So we start with nyatiti. We shall look at the various part of nyatiti. Let me get the pen. I get the pen so that you can be able to have an interactive lesson. Shall take let me use which color. Let me use orange. Let me see. Okay, good. So I believe this is okay. Good. So sorry for that, but I was taking the pen so that I can have an interactive lesson. Now here we have anchor, then we have bridge, then we have string, also sling, we have arm, we have tuning knob, can be tuning knob, then we have the crossbar, the strings, resonator, then we have skin membrane, armor membrane, then we have sound hole. That's the part of the one of the lyres called nyatiti. Let me go to now adeudeu. Adeudeu is a harp, instrument from the Teso people. We shall also look at the various parts of this harp. Here we have what? We have the tuning peg, then we have strings, we have skin membrane, we have resonator, sound hole, then you have arms or neck. So these are for the harp called adeudeu. Let's look at it again. Candid from Tugen. It has arms, it has strings, it has sound holes, it has a resonator, it has arm, it has crossbar, and so on. So now this is part of the rails that we are talking about. Have ritungu among others. We say string instruments that have 5 to 8 string are known as lyres. There are 4 methods. Here we have the 4 methods, but I have decided to put 3. These are the ones that we use to play, the method that we use to play the lyres, with plucking, strumming, and rubbing. These are some of a few methods. See, here is another one from the cabras and so on, the tungu. Now we have those with the 2 strings. We say they called what? It's called wandindi. Those that have 5 strings, you have chepkesem, karenjin, chepkesem, karenjin, have chepkesem, karenjin, then you have adeudeu teso, kipkandit, sabaot. Then you have the method of playing is plucking. That's the method of playing this. Then you have those with the 6. You have Gandit from West Pokot, Kipkandit, Tugen, Bugandit, Ergo Gonmasai, Chemonge, Nandi, Chepkong, Kipsigis. The method that we use is plucking, strumming for the Chepkongo, and Chemonge. Then we go to 7 strings is only one litungu from the Bukusu Luya. The method of playing is plucking. Those with the 8, now we have nyatiti, luo, obokana, marachi, baluya, obokano, abagusi, iritungu, kuria, kitubet, kipsigis, ketuba, nandi. The method of playing this is plucking. Then let's look at again the adeudeu. We say it is a harp. From the Teso community, where we said it has a large resonator ball made from the aguad or hollowed drum like a structure. The wooden frame just out from the bow and widened towards the top. So you can see how it is connected. Say adeudeu is a Teso musical instrument, the most common no, one has 5 strings, but there are another version of a deodeo with 8 string. It is suspended from the shoulder when being played. Now let's look at chepkesem. Chepkesem is a Kalenjin musical instrument which has 5 strings and has no resonator. A dry cowhide is folded and the chepkesem is placed on it. It doesn't have a resonator. So the kipkandit 6 strings musical instrument used by the Tugen people. It is different from the other version of the same instrument, the shape and the resonator. Let's look at now chemonge and chepkong. The chepkong is a Kalenjin string musical instrument by the Kipsigis and the Nandi people. It has the 6 string. We also have Bukandit from Elgon Masai. It's almost the same, but you can see that you look at the resonator. When being played, both the Chemonge of Elgon Masai and the Bukandit are held like the Kipkandit of Tugen and the West Pokot. Let's look at now the Kipkandit. Kipkandit, illustrated below, is the type of made used by the West Pokot people, where they use resonators, tortoise shell, for making the resonator. Let's look at now the another version. That's a Kemarakwet. That's Kipkandit. Shall not talk more about it. Litungu. Litungu is from Luya. Musical instrument has 7 strings and the common made and used by the Bukusu people of Bungoma district. So the next one is, now we talk about the Litungu we have talked about. That's how it look like exactly. Then we talk about Nyatiti from the Luo musical instrument. It has 8 string. It has small hole on one side, which is used in making sound louder. The player places the metal ring on one of his toes and use it to strike one of the arm bars when playing the Nyatiti. Or Obukhana. Obukhana is another 8-string musical instrument from the Marachi people, and taught from the Elgon, I taught it the Luya also. The Ritungu is made and used by the Kuria people. It is 8-string. 2 or 3 anchor bell mounted on a piece of wood are used to accompany the Iritungu from the Kuria that has 8 string. Ketubet, or also Ketubet, Ketuba or Ketubet, is the largest string instrument used by the Kipsigis and the Nandi people. It also has 8 strings. We have Obokano. Obokano is the largest 8-string musical instrument from the Gusi people, or Ama Kisi people. We have another one called Obohana Wamakanda, is also known as Zithas. Zithas is played by a few communities, not many community. Very few community play Zithas in Kenya. This is because it was made during the leisure time and was regarded as a practice instrument used by the amateur before they could attempt playing a lyre. Example of Zithas is Makana of the Marachi from Busia. Those are also the Luya people. We say the Obokana wa Makanda is a Luya musical instrument from the Marachi people, usually made from the millet stem and a piece of timber. You can see how they are playing the instrument exactly. So as we almost come to the end of our lesson, we shall look at now, we summarize what you have said. We have a Deudeu 5-string from the Teso. We have Kipkandit 6-string from Sabaot. We have Bukandit 6-string from Kalenjin, Chepkongo from the Kalenjin 6 strings, Ritungu 7 strings from Luya, Iritungu 8 string from Kuria, Ketuba 8 string from Nandi, Nyatiti 8 string from Luo, Obokano from Kisi 8 string. We almost come to the end of our lesson. Here we have one question that we want to answer. Just is a simple question. We say the string instrument with the string instrument with the box resonator from the Kalenjin is known as, look at on number 1, is called Kandit. Let's go to number 2. One string instrument from the Luya is called Isiriri. That's number 2. We go to number 3. Two stringed instrument of the Kikuyu is called Wandindi. Let's go to number 4. Number 4, which community is Kimengenge? That's the Kimengenge. That's number 4. That's the Kalenjin. Then we go to number 5, Aluya. Aluo, one string instrument is called Orutu. Orutu from the Luo. Then we go to number 6. Number 6, a string instrument also known as Kamba Kanane of Luya is called, that's, you look at number 6, with Nyatiti. Nyatiti is also known as Kamba Nane. Kamba Nane of the Luo community is called Nyatiti. We go to number 7, an instrument with these 5 strings and is carved arm from Teso's community is known as Adeudeu. Adeudeu. Look at number 7. What's number 7? Adeudeu. Here is a Adeudeu. Then we go to question number 8. 8. Let's look at number 8. A fiddle of the Kamba people is called Mbeve. That's number 8. Mbeve is here. They could go to number 9. A 7-string instrument of Luya. Luya community is called, that's, you look at number 9. Number 9 is called Ritungu. Number 10, 1-string instrument from the Taita people is called, we go to number 9. Where's number 9? Number 10, sorry, is called Zeze. It's called Zeze. So we've come to the end of our lesson. We ask you to share, to subscribe, tell people about Baptist 254. It's very important to subscribe in case I put a new video. You can be able to get the video as the first person. Please remember to share, tell people about Batista 254. We'd appreciate as we continue working together.